everyone, and welcome back to my channel. This is Yummy Brown of Yummy Crochetology, and today's content is reviewing the dresses that I have in my channel. I have 4 dresses in my channel, including the one that I styled. Like the very first upload that I have is I have a dress that I styled. So I will review those dresses. So when you say review, is we will talk about, can you really wear the dress outside, like in the public, in the park? So I will be reviewing the dresses, and I will be blatantly, so I'll be very honest with you guys if the dress is actually comfortable or a total wardrobe failure. Totally wardrobe failure. Because let's be honest, crocheters, designers, crocheters, especially the ones who actually make crochet garments, do you really wear the crochet that you made? So I would like to know that. Comment below, do you really wear the garments, the crochet garments that you made? Because I know one designer who don't want to wear her designs. She don't want to wear her crochet garments. She just want to sell them or give them away, like take them away from me. She publicly admit that in her TikTok. But in my case, I have this separation anxiety. I don't know if it's a thing. I don't want to let go of my crochet garments. If I'm being honest, some of them I don't wear them. I only handpick the one that it's comfortable. So design wise, I liked it. There are for crochet stuffs that I made that is just in the storage. I will also be honest and review the dress if it's comfortable. Tell you the part that is, shall we say, a failed, okay? Like which part of the dress or the design that actually fails, what makes it uncomfortable. So you will also be guided when you follow those dresses tutorials in my channel, which part you will adjust to suit your own style or your own comfortability. Okay? So I will pinpoint those errors of the dress that makes it uncomfortable. It's not necessarily error, but we have different body type, and for some reason there are designs that just doesn't work for me but works quite well with the other body type. So also for the tutorials of the dresses, each dresses tutorial will be linked in the description box below. So again, just visit the description box below for those tutorials of the link. Also check that in my Etsy shop, which is also linked in the description box below. So let's head to that part of the video. The first dress is the dress that I styled at the very beginning of my content making. This dress is not my design. I bought the written pattern from High Fiber, and this is my version of the dress. So this is the very first dress that I made out of her pattern. It's beautiful. Okay, I added a few details to the dress. The pattern don't have a edging like this, but for some reason I added it to my own dress. I did some flare of my own dress. Okay, so I added that in my own dress. And the back of the dress is lace, like, and adjustable waistline. And I added a padding. So comfortability, no, it's not comfortable. Okay, so it's not comfortable because for some reason my lacing at the back is stuck. Okay, I can't adjust it. Well, if I'm wearing the dress, I can't adjust it on my own. So my interpretation of the pattern just didn't give me a comfortable end result. Like the dress is not comfortable for me. I overdo the bra cup, like it's a bit too big for me, the bra cup. So far, this is not comfortable for me because of the way the back closure is. I cannot adjust it while wearing the dress. So I have to remove the dress and adjust it and then wear it again. So it's just too much work for me. It's all connected. So when you when you pull these strings here, it tightens the sleeves in the shoulder and it gives you that red marks. But there are body types who are okay with this kind of design. In my own body type, it just doesn't feel comfortable. The pattern is amazing, but I just didn't make a dress that is comfortable for my own body type. Second dress that I made using the pattern is my friend. She's perfect. Okay, she loves the dress. It looks comfortable to her. She can adjust the back quite easily compared to mine. What's the difference? Why is it that she's comfortable and I'm not? The difference is our body types. She's tiny, she's extra small. I am small to medium. I have a mummy belly. I'm not being mean with body shapes here. I'm just saying that this design really didn't work for me, and also this is the first version of the dress that I make. So, you know, you can expect it to have some little errors somewhere while following the dress. While I make my friend's dress the second time, which is I already have experience with the pattern, so I know what to do, where to adjust. So if I were to make or wear this kind of dress, I have to make a different kind of closure. So overall, the comfortability is between 7 and 8. The skirt is just perfect. I love the skirt, the way it flares, and it also have a waistline adjustable. You can adjust so it sits just right above your waistline. So overall, can I wear it outside the craft room or house? Yes, if you're going to the beach. Yeah, I think this is a nice beach dress because, you know, you're wearing a bikini and you can use this as a cover up. The design of the skirt is actually neat, something like that. The design is amazing, so you can check her out in the description box below if you are interested of the written pattern of this dress. So let's move to the second dress. The second dress is my own design and I made this last year. The tutorial of this dress is available in my channel, so just head to my description box below for the link. So this one is the Isabel dress. This dress is using a cotton, the Shadow Twirl cotton from Hobbii, 3 cakes, which is 800 meter each. So the way I designed it is separate. So I make the top first and then the skirt and then the florets or the floral in the front. It has a nice puff sleeve. Most puff sleeve top that is crocheted will fall off your shoulder. Hence, some of us crocheter put a strings at the back to hold on the puff, or we have elastic for the sleeve. But this one, it won't fall off your shoulder. Why? Because the sleeve is connected to the waist belt. So what happened is, if you tighten this, you pull this and wrap this, the sleeve will hold on to the top of your shoulder. It won't fall off because of these 2 belts, okay, that is crisscross at the top, the back, and then you will wrap it around your waistline that holds the sleeve and it will not fall off. I've worn this in an 8 hours drive. I last that long wearing this dress. What is the downside of the dress if the sleeve is comfortable? The downside is neat design in the skirt, and if you are from a cold places, it's freaking chilly. So that's the complaint that I have down here in Sydney. It's quite chilly here, or cold compared up north of Australia. So I wore this when we hit like Coastline Drive, and it's cold, like you can feel the chill in your legs because the design of the skirt is whole. It is lacy type, okay? It's a lacy scallop, but you can always wear a tutu skirts underneath. Also gives drama to the skirt. And also another complaint about the dress is for some reason, yeah, I use a white bra pads underneath the 2 cups because this is 2-sided cups. If you are following the tutorial, you notice that we did a 2-sided bra pads, and then in between the bra pads is a cup. For some reason, I use white. I don't know why. Maybe I don't have a black that time. And it's a bit see-through. You can really see it that it's white. So I think that's my other failure upon designing this dress. So don't use white cups. Use darker ones, or find a cup that looks like your yarn. So yes, that's my 2 complaints about this design or this dress. The cups is white and it's just too cold if you're from, cold places. The skirt is a bit chill. The skirt just flare up. You can move comfortably, and then the color that I use is just perfect. Like, it's especially for someone like me, like a mom that, you know, kids will wipe their hand on you. So, you know, white or bright garments is really not ideal for us. The yarn didn't weigh down the skirt. So this is the yarn that I use for the dress. This is the Cotton King, and it is 200 gram or 800 meter. So it's very long. It's a Twirls Shadow. So Twirls Shadow, and that's the shade. So what makes it not weigh down? Most cotton yarns will weigh down the skirt, especially too much stitches going on. The yarn is heavier, like cotton or its natural fiber usually weigh down the skirt. So the yarn does not weigh down the skirt. It's perfect. Like it's 800 meter for 200 gram. Usually 200 gram is, you know, sits between 300 meter to 400 meters. So I reckon the yarn is really lightweight. Like, so it's perfect for that drapey kind of skirt or dresses. I added this nice little flowers in the front just to give extra to the dress. So the closure to the sleeve is adjustable. So far, when it comes to comfortability, from 1 to 10, it is roughly 8 to 9 because I've worn it in the road trip and I have no complaint. And I've washed it multiple times and the color is still there. Like some yarns just fades. It's still there. The vibrancy of the color is still there. It's still beautiful. So 1 to 10, it's 8 comfortability, design failure, just the bra cup, the color of the bra cup, and if you're from cold places, then wear something underneath so you will not be chilly when wearing this dress. But so far, it's one of my favorites. Third and second to the last dress, and this one is the Granny Square dress. So first off, let's start with the design. I use a ribbon for the sleeve. I still have planned to change the sleeve into more wearable, like more decent, because if you're gonna go out with a ribbon, you know, satin ribbon, and going down the grocery, you are quite outlandish. Unless you're gonna intend to use the dress for a party, a cocktail party, a fancy dinner, then this ribbon is perfect. Again, this is very holey. This is lacy type, like the skirt has holes. So when I wear this, I have a skater design skirt underneath this skirt. The bandeau part, which is the granny square, it's quite comfortable. It's not moving. Why? Again, the closure at the back, you have to tie the bow, like it's tied back. So the front will actually tighten when you pull the bow at the back, and it gives you that nice fit design in the front because the bow is pulling the bandeau like that. If I'm gonna wear it like on a holiday, like summer holiday, down the beach or somewhere in the mountain, I'm still hoping to change this one. I like the way it holds at the top. It does not move due to the fact that the back is pulled tightly. And the sleeve, well, it's cute if you're going to a party, a fancy party. If you're gonna wear it into a daily basis kind of dress, you have to change the sleeve into a string, like, you know, I-cord or a single crochet or a chain will do. As for the skirt, I intended to not fit it, like not really hugs my waistline. So I have this extra chain that I added to connect the two end of the bandeau. So I have this adjustable part. If I lose weight, I can use that and put a string at the back or in the waistline and adjust it. Okay, with the waist part of the skirt, I don't have a complaint. It's nice, it sits well in my waistline and it's comfortable. And again, the skirt is lacy and has holes. So if you are from a cold places, you have to wear something underneath. Even if you're not from a cold places, I think you have to wear something underneath because it's really lacy, like especially if you're quite fair skin, so you can really see through it. But if you don't mind, why not just wear a black panty? This is my third design that also one of my favorite. I really love this dress. I'm just waiting for the spring or summer. It's really cold. I can't wear this outside my house. So yes, so far this is comfortable between 8, 9, This one is 8-9 and really fast project, so you can also check that in my description box below for the tutorial of this nice flary granny square dress. So let's proceed to the last dress that I will be reviewing in this content. And again, this is a design that I made recently. I designed this dress for fun. I would like to wear this dress in the snow, like just for fun photo shoot. It will be bloody cold, but still I want to do that. So I decided I want to have this puffy, chunky, bulky dress in the snow. The dress that I designed a few weeks back, and it is made of super chunky. The skirt is made of super chunky yarn, and the top is chunky or bulky. Puff flowers for the sleeve, and I designed it for fun. I want to wear it in the snow. So, is it a comfortable dress? It is. You just have to slip it on. I intentionally make it a little bit bigger. You know, it just drape, like it just hang on my body quite well. It's a bit heavy because the yarn is chunky, it's bulky. It's like wearing your blanket. Comfortability, yes, if you want to lounge in your couch wearing a blanket, yes, it's very comfortable. I've worn it in my couch crocheting with a big fuzzy socks. But when you go out as a daily basis kind of dress, I don't think so. If you're always in front of a camera, you're always doing a fun photo shoot and wear a fun dress, then this is perfect for you, especially this cold weather. So yes, this is the kind of dress that you wear on those events. But daily kind of dress, no, it's just for fun dress. Like it's more like show off dress. It's comfortable, yes, it just drape in your body, no drama, no lazing at the back, just hang on to your body quite well. 8-9, if you want to wear your blanket, this is your dress. Complaint. What's my complaint about the dress? Nothing really, because you know, it's not intended for daily wear. It's for fun dress. It's for fun dress. It's a dress you want to wear if you're having a theme photo shoot. So yeah, I don't have complaint with the dress. And it has also a floret, like little flower that I sew into the dress. So it's very, very cute. Again, the tutorial of this dress is available in my description box below, or if you want the written pattern version, you can check that in my Etsy. So that's all for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this and learned a lot from this content. Not just following a tutorial, you will also be guided that dress you're making will not be an epic fail. Also, if you are new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. And also, I would like to emphasize that I'm wearing a crochet hair bow. And do not forget to tag me all your made from my channel. I would love to see them. And thank you so much for staying with me. I hope to see you again sometime next week. Bye!